This is part 5 of eating my way through Japan. It's dinner time and we're going to Koko Ichibanya. This place is famous for Japanese curry and they do it perfectly. You order through their tablet and start by choosing your curry base, your protein, how spicy do you want it, and even how much rice you want. Yes, it's fully customizable just the way you like it. So I just ordered the chicken cutlet for 994 yen and let me tell you, the food was so good. The curry was rich and flavorful, the chicken katsu was crispy and cooked to perfection. Lasang-lasa mo talaga ang umami goodness in every bite. Umorder din ako ng salad just because I haven't had any veggies yet during this trip. I know may Koko Ichibanya din sa Pinas but actually tina-target ko talaga matry yung mga restaurants in Japan na meron din sa Pinas just so I can compare, and obviously the restaurants here are just on another level. Malaking factor din of course na sa Japan naman sila nag-originate. And it's a lot more affordable here compared sa Pinas. So if you're in Japan and craving comfort food, you have to try Koko Ichibanya. Save this video if gusto nyo rin ito masubukan. They have lots of stores all over Japan. And for your future travels, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. More Japan adventures coming soon, so do like and follow to stay updated. Yun lang. Okay, thanks, bye!